Hello and welcome. In this math tutorial, our task is to find the real values of x that satisfy this quartic equation. Now, to solve this problem, let us start by moving these three terms over to the right-hand side of the equation. When we do that, we have 7x to the power 4 is equal to 4x cubed plus 6x squared plus 4x plus 1. Now, the next thing we are going to do is that we will add x to the power 4 to both sides of the equation. We have 7x to the power 4 plus x to the power 4. This is equal to x to the power 4 plus 4x cubed plus 6x squared plus 4x plus 1. 7x to the power 4 plus x to the power 4 is equal to 8x to the power 4. Now, when you look at this expression, you will see that it's the expansion for x plus 1 to the power 4. Now, what we are going to do is that we will take square root of both sides of this equation. When we do that, we have that the square root of 8x to the power 4 is equal to plus or minus the square root of this, which is x plus 1 squared. Now here we have the square root of 8 times x squared. This is equal to, now you know that the square of a real number cannot be negative. So on the right hand side we have x plus 1 squared because we are only looking for real values of x. And once more, we take square root of both sides of the equation. On the left hand side, we now have the fourth root of 8 times x. This is equal to plus or minus the square root of this, which is x plus 1. Now, in the first case, we have that the fourth root of 8 times x is equal to x plus 1. Subtracting x from both sides of this equation, we have that the fourth root of 8 times x minus x is equal to 1. We can factorize this. When we do that, we have x into the fourth root of 8 times x divided by x is going to give us the fourth root of 8. Minus x divided by x is minus 1. This is equal to 1. Now, when we divide both sides of this equation by this quantity, then we have that x is equal to 1 over the fourth root of 8 minus 1. Now, in the second case, we have that the fourth root of 8 times x is equal to minus x minus 1. When we add x to both sides of this equation, then we have that the fourth root of 8 times x plus x is equal to minus 1. Once more, we can factorize this. We have x into the fourth root of 8 times x divided by x is the fourth root of 8. X divided by x is 1. This is equal to minus 1. Dividing both sides of this equation by this quantity, we have that x is equal to minus 1 over the fourth root of 8 plus 1. Now we have the two real values of x that satisfy this quartic equation. Evaluated with a calculator to 4 places of decimal, this is equal to 1.4667. And this is equal to minus 0.3729. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a like to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and you can see more tutorials here.